Hello students, today we are going to discuss the seventh numerical of indeterminacy of frames. Question is written as find the kinematic indeterminacy of the frame structure shown in the figure for inextensible member. It means that we need to calculate here the total kinematic indeterminacy of this frame for inextensible members. Now we know that for rigid members only one possible movement is present in each and every joint. Okay, so at each joint there will be only one possible movement, that is rotation. So we just write all the possible movements at each and every joint. So we just write one value each and every joint. Okay, now there will be one story displacements also, so the story displacement will be like this. Okay, now at fixed support A, the degree of freedom is 0. We know that because there will be 3 reactions, so the degree of freedom will be 0. Now at support B, there will be 1 degree of freedom, that will be the rotation, because movement is equals to 0 at hinge support. Now at support C, due to roller support, there will be 2 degree of freedom, that is the horizontal displacement and the rotation. Now if we do the sum of all these values, then it will be equals to 19. That will be the kinematic indeterminacy of this frame. That will be very easy to solve. Okay students, that is the complete solution of this question. Thank you very much.